Our CES 2018 coverage is proudly powered by Amazon. Help support our content by going to PLUGHITZlive.com/Amazon.
Alante here, CES 2018. I'm with PLUGHITZ Live, a part of the Tech Podcast Network. I'm here with Victor at the crea.vision technology booth, and we've got something a little different, something that really caught our attention. Victor, why don't you explain what we're looking at here?
We designed this computer vision sensor that is capable of knowing the location of people and their identity. It works at long distances. So it combines all this data to automate all connected devices without needing any voice or screen commands.
Interesting. So what exactly does it do with this information, being able to kind of track you around?
The system will learn each individual's preferences over time, and it will adapt intelligently the spaces to each individual user.
Wow. So is this like things like adjusting temperature or turning things on and off via proximity?
All connected devices that can be safely connected to the system will be able to autonomously adapt to each individual user. And that includes lights, thermostats, all sorts of connected devices.
No, that's fantastic. I mean, now what do these devices need to be connected to in order for this device to control it?
They will need to be connected to the central hub. We designed our API, and we'll try to connect as many of those third-party devices as possible.
Now that's good to hear. It sounds like we won't need any one proprietary thing. It's like you guys are kind of designing it around all of the stuff that's out there.
That's exactly right. We try to design it with having the user in mind, so that there's no need to program anything, no need to think what to ask the smart assistant, or to find that application on the iPhone. We want to make it as easy as possible.
That's good. Now, let me ask you this. So it looks like it can track multiple people, correct?
That's correct, yes. We designed it for any kind of large family. It will comfortably track 10-15 people or small party.
And you guys are working on an industrial version too for businesses and things like that to track more people, right?
We're seeing a lot of interest at CES from the enterprise, so we're thinking of designing the same kind of capability but at a larger scale for enterprise solutions and enterprise security solutions.
That's fantastic. I mean, honestly, we talked about this before. This, to me, seems like it's got a lot of potential to kind of be that central hub that's kind of missing from all of these. I mean, the focus for this CES seems to be a lot of like ecosystem creating. And I like that we've got a device that's kind of attempting to be that central hub. Was that your goal here?
Indeed. We're trying to create a completely new user experience, and to create an ecosystem around that would be the main focal point, so that with safety and security in mind, we have a completely new way of interacting with technology.
Now, when you say safety and security, how are you guys going about, what are your measures of development to, keep the user as safe as possible?
We designed it to run all the complicated processing on the device, so that there's no personal information going to the cloud. And we will very carefully manage the connection process, so that only the registered device will have access to the information on the device.
Awesome. Well, honestly, this is sounding really wonderful. When are you guys planning to bring this out to the market, and how much is it going to cost?
It's a bit early for us to announce the price and delivery date at the moment. It's at prototype stage. We're probably about 6-8 months away.
Gotcha. All right. Well, I'm sure you guys will figure out something that's pretty good for the consumer, since you guys are doing such a good job with designing. Last thing I would like to say is, where can we go to see more information about this and things like that?
Our website is crea.vision, and we will be publishing more information on the Facebook and our Twitter pages as well.
All right, fantastic. Well, thank you very much for your time. I really appreciate it. This is looking like a fantastic product. It's got a lot of potential, and Thank you for tuning in to this. For all of this coverage and more, please stay tuned to PLUGHITZlive.com/CES.